Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a clickable checkbox in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First, go ahead and open up your Adobe Acrobat and open the file that you want to add the clickable checkbox to. And once you have opened it, from the right hand side, we can see many options and tools right here. Click on the More Tools option at the bottom, and you should be able to see the Prepare Form option under the Forms and Signatures section. Let's click on Add right here and click on Open. From here, we have some options at the top to prepare a form. What we can do is check on this tool right here. This is where we can add checkboxes to enable selection from one or more options. So select that, and this little box will appear as you hover through your document. So you can just click on where you want it to be positioned. For example, like that one. You can add a name to the checkbox to have it layered at the right part of our Acrobat. If you want to add more, just do the same steps. Select the checkbox tool and click on anywhere you want it to be. And just keep on doing that until you have positioned all your checkboxes. And you can then position it as you like or make it larger. You can zoom in to your PDF and be more accurate with the size and position for your checkboxes. Once you're done adding your checkboxes, you can click on Preview at the top right part. So you can see if it is functional. You can try clicking on it if it gives a check mark icon just like this one, and if you can uncheck it. If everything looks good, you can click on Close at the top right. You can then save your PDF at the top left or just hit Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.